welcome back to Gin Fun at Wine Mastery, and we've persuaded Matt to give us another example of yet another tonic using some of the quality ingredients from the House of Divine. Over to you, Matt.
Hey guys, so back at the House of Divine, beautiful gins. So I'm going to start off with the classic gin. I'm going to do a little bit of a twist on a classic Southside. I'm just going to lengthen it out, give it a little bit of sweetness from some elderflower liqueur, and we'll be winning. So I'm going to hit with 50 mils of Divine gin. Absolutely beautiful stuff. So you get some really sweet notes right at the end, lots of licorice, and it's just quite a complex gin that works great in a cocktail. So then we're going to hit that with 25 mils of the elderflower liqueur, St Germain, French liqueur, fantastic stuff. So that will replace your sugar in a classic Southside. Then I've got a mixture of lemon and lime juice here. Going to go in with 35 mils of that, so quite a tart drink. Absolutely beautiful. And then just shake it over ice. Simple as that. It really is. And then we want a longer drink, so we want to keep the ice in there. Just a nice short shake, just to get, you'll see a little bit of foam just layering over the top of the shaker. It's absolutely fine. So then just get yourself a nice tall glass. The Divine Gin Coopers work well for this. So just pour it all in there. Topped with pretty much a full bottle of Med Tonic, and this will really accentuate the lime notes in the drink. Absolutely beautiful. And literally garnish with either mint, an orange twirl. I've got some lemongrass here. It's probably not what you'll have at home, but if you just break it, chop the top and tails off it, and then just break it in your hands, and just twist it over the drink, just so you accentuate some of the lemongrass flavors over it. Drop that in, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'll hand this over to these guys to enjoy.
I'm going to try first.
Please do. Thank you again, Matt.
Certainly. A nice simple drink you can definitely make at home. These are all things you can get in your local shop. And just grab yourself a bottle of Divine Gin.
It's lovely, yeah.
And it really will, you get the lemongrass probably right on the nose, and then the lemon, the lime, and then it's just a classic Southside.
Excellent.
And it should just be
Yeah,
really...
it's lovely.
I must admit, I do love lemongrass in many ways, shapes and forms, but
Even just the fragrance within the glass.
You still get the gin through, you still get the flavour of the gin coming through as well, don't you?
And you know, I've replaced the sugar syrup that you'd normally use in that classic drink with the St Germain, so that just brings a little bit of a floral to it. Yeah, absolutely.
I've always found the elderflower and Divine go really well together, really well.
Another cracker. Thank you very much.
Absolutely.
You know what you're doing, don't you?
Thank you.
Thank you very much indeed. Cheers. See you later.